Can you believe that this is only a crochet hair? Guys, this is crochet braids. Can you believe this? And this is the first time I'm trying this on my daughter's hair, and I've ever tried such a thing. So guys, rate me with your phone battery and tell me what you think. If you want to know how I did this, please keep watching this video till the end. Watch till the end. I bet you'll love it.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome. So today I want to do some braids, crochet braids from Estella's hair. There you can see that. And I'll go ahead to be using my rubber bands. This is the first time I'm doing it. And also I will braid it. Now we have our braiding gel, we have our edge control, and also her hair is moisturized already. You can use any moisturizer, you can use any leave-in conditioner, that's okay. All right, so I use Chinese products here. So it's a 4C hair, so let's go ahead and I'll show you how I came up with this. Okay, so please keep watching. Okay, so we have to put some gel here. It's just like blah 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 blah. Let's put gel over here. Yes, so some gel over there. Anyway, it doesn't hurt. The process. Please. So this. Okay. So it's like this. So guys, you can see from here, like to our home. I'm going to control it. So roll down. Wait. It's long. Oh, stay. Wait, just like this. And then the rest, go ahead to the game.
So I had to braid the hair after parting it out and putting the rubber band to it. So I just twisted it. Yeah, I didn't braid and I twisted rather. And this is how it looked like. It wasn't easy actually doing this on Estella's hair because, you know, this is the first time I've ever actually stressed her like this, and for her it didn't sound normal per se. So she kept requesting just anything that would make her feel relaxed. So guys, this is just how we were going. At some point she had to say, oh mommy, I'm tired, and we had to wait for her. I had to wait for her to regain back some energy. You know, this took about an hour and more. So she really found out any way to distract herself. And so I'm done with the twisting. You can see I'm almost done. So this was the last part and I had to slow down a little bit. I didn't want to twist the front, the T-zone. So that's it, and this is the braids I'm using. I'm using these braids. There's no brand, so I just got this online from tabao. Yeah. And so guys, since this was my first time doing this, I had to try to fit in the crochet so many times. So guys, that's how it looked like. I had to actually try my best to fit in the crochet, and you know, I had to finish the edges or polish the edges with gel edge control gel, and you can see what I'm doing now. We're done, and now it's time to put in the crochet. Trust me, it wasn't easy for me to actually figure it out well, but well, I tried and it happened, and I really loved how it turned out to be. Just take a look at what's happening. Take a look. Trying. At this point, Estella was like, okay, I'm almost done. The only thing that kept her going was like, don't worry, I'm gonna do you. You're gonna have a ponytail, you know. She really loves having a ponytail on her hair, and also loves to be a princess. So I just mentioned these two words to her, and okay, she's good to go. She can really understand and try to wait. So guys, just keep watching.
The fish coming.
Yes.
Oh no. Come on.
Yay.
At this point, I was running up already, and that's it. I'm done. Finally. She called me. It's like she loved it. I'm finally done, guys. So, okay, just need to distract me a little bit. her down and I was just trying to put it together in two ponytails that I promised that I was going to do. So, and that's it. Et voilà. Tout fini. Regardez, c'est très très beau. Oh my, I wish I had someone to make this on my hair. Can you imagine that? Take a look, take a look. I mean, who would have thought that I would have done this on my own?
Done with this hair. Everybody, take a look at Estella's hair. Very beautiful. It's living. See? Look at her face. Isn't this a beautiful hair? See? Everybody, are you happy for Estella? See? Turn around, let everybody see it. Wow, so beautiful. Papa, Pops. Say bye-bye.